turning an unused tank room into a useful workspace. Hello everyone, I am Pawan Kumar. Welcome back to your channel Coucal Interiors Bangalore. In today's project, we have transformed an overhead tank room into a functional and elegant working space which is located in VijayNagar, Bangalore. Let's take a look at how it was before. Since the tank room height is only 6.5 feet, we designed it carefully to make it spacious and comfortable. On the ceiling, we have provided sleek profile light to give uniform lighting without reducing the height. For convenience, we have designed a folding table. Just fold it up when not in use, so the room remains clutter-free. We planned electrical points for laptops, chargers and other electrical equipments below the folding table, as well as Wi-Fi setup in the corner of the room. We have made a provision for wall-mounted fan considering the warm terrace location. On the walls, we have added wall trims and inside of them we installed decorative lights for modern look. To enclose the front side of the room, we installed a swinging door and a sleek fixed panel made of 12 mm toughened glass with sun control film sheet to convert into one-way glass, significantly reducing noise and heat. Finally, we completed the project with a fresh coat of paint to brighten up this space and make it productive office environment. This compact transformation shows how even a small overhead tank room can be turned into a comfortable, stylish and practical working space. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos about old home renovation, house structural renovation, bathroom renovation, kitchen renovation and interior design updates. If you want to turn your old home into a modern one, you are in the right spot. Yes, Coucal Interiors and Renovation Company is your one-stop solution for all your needs. What are you waiting for? Give us a call today. Thank you.